Okay, mod number 10, front lip. I just got done doing the exhaust, and I bought this front lip on eBay for 110 bucks. It's supposed to be a dupe of the Air Designs lip, and it looks pretty good quality, honestly. It doesn't look bad at all. I don't know if there's any install instructions though, but it looks to mount up the same way as the Air Designs one does. I don't know if the Air Designs one has double-sided tape, because obviously I didn't go that route. But you can see it's a really nice gloss black. So I'm genuinely shocked as to how good the quality is on this. So I think it's a 3-piece because they ship it. It saves them money on shipping. I guess they give you screws to install it. No install instructions. The only thing that I'm noticing is kind of the bad thing about this kit. But other than that though, it doesn't look bad at all, honestly. Yeah, you do this. That's cool. That's really cool. I like that. I like this setup. This setup is a really nice setup. One thing that I did notice with the splitter is they give you these washers. I'm having to stack them because I kind of messed up on the other side. So basically you have to use these screws to hold the lip together because it's a 3-piece obviously. So it's put together like that. But on this side, I didn't put the washers, I didn't stack them at all. Popped up a little bit of the thing, and so I'm kind of bummed about that. I mean, it's not something that you're going to be able to see very much because it's going to be down here, but it does stink that that's what happened though. I mean, I should have probably checked before I started doing it, but lesson learned. Another thing for this install, you got to take out this little mud flap on both sides. So once you remove them, you'll be able to have a full access to it, but it's literally these 3 bolts right here. There's 4 bolts on the bottom, and then there's just a clip right there holding it on right after you take them out. Need some help. Actually.
Like that?
No, like to the back of the bumper, you know what I'm saying?
No.
I like it. It looks really good. You can kind of see where it sticks out. Not bad. And it matches the black from the black pack too. It's literally like perfect. Okay, so I want to finish off the video, and I want to make a couple points about the lip. The first point is, I really, really wish that they would have provided instructions, because it would have saved the headache of the screws poking through the lip. It was just like kind of annoying to see that. Luckily, it's in a part of the lip where you can't really see it once it's put on, but nonetheless, I know it's there. 2, I really wish they would have provided better hardware so that didn't happen. But that brings me to my next couple points. The lip itself is actually really good quality. The plastic that they use is OEM quality plastic that I've seen other manufacturers use for OEM quality parts. It's not like super flimsy or anything like that. It's a really thick piece of plastic. And like, I drove 45 minutes to work and I had no issues. Like, it didn't move around. It wasn't shifting or anything like that. There was no rattles. And I was even pushing on it pretty hard with my hand because I'm a pretty strong guy, and it wasn't moving or anything like that. So like, the provided hardware that they do give you does keep the lip in place. You're using bolts from the actual bumper as well. So overall, I'm really, really happy with the lip. I'll get some B-roll later on, and I'll make another video with B-roll and everything to really show how it looks. But overall, I'm really happy with the lips. So yeah, love you guys. God bless. Have a great day.